All right, we're going to talk a little bit about area and perimeter, and today you guys get to play around with a fun simulation. So first I want you guys, when you first get on the website, to do the explore piece. So if you log on, clicking on the explore piece, we're going to talk a little bit about the difference between area and perimeter here. So if I just put one block over here, I have an area of 1 because I have one block. An area is the amount of space or blocks that make up a figure. The perimeter is the outside edge. So the reason that this is in a perimeter of 4 is because I've got 1 square unit on each side. And if I add 1 plus 1 plus 1, that would be 4. So let's see what happens when I add another block. So now I've got an area of 2 because I have 2 square blocks, but a perimeter of 6 because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So perimeter is the outside edge of a figure. It's all the distance all the way around the figure. If you were to walk the line around a football field, that would be the perimeter. If you were to color in the inside of an image, that would be the area. So playing around with the simulation, let's see if I can create something that looks different from this on this other side that still has an area of 2. I could stack them like this, and that would still give me a perimeter 6 and an area of 2. I think that's pretty much the most of that possibility. Now let's discuss a area of 4. So if I have 4 blocks, they can look like this. I could also do area of 4 here, and the perimeter is way bigger because I've got a longer object here. Versus this perimeter is only 8 because it's very compact. Whereas if I were to walk around this purple figure, it would take me longer because it is a longer figure. So playing around with that, we've both got areas of 4, but notice that the perimeters are different. So you can do that quite often. Now I'm going to show you the game piece of this. So I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to go down to the game. And this is what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to do level 1 first, and then choose another level after you complete level 1. So here it wants me to create an area of 12. So I'm going to do 3 blocks of 4, and then I'm going to check my answer. Oh, that was really loud. Click next. Now I've got area of 30. So I'm going to go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 30. Let's check. Perfect. So level 1's pretty easy. If I go to another level, let's go back to the game here. And I don't know if, and you can put the numbers around if you want to see the perimeter, or you can just leave it off with the grid. So when you're done, I want you to show me the progress that you made or what level you went to, and just write it on the bottom of your document that you had the link on it. And for those of you that are doing the packet, I hope that this was helpful to teach you just visually what area and perimeter are. So good luck.